For this recipe, we're going to be cooking roasted goose with cranberry sauce. For step-by-step directions for this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com.
Yeah, it looks like these geese really did get some shot in the breast. Now, luckily we soaked it in salt water overnight. What that'll do is pull the blood out and also make it pretty obvious where the holes are so you can fish out any pellets that might be in there. I don't recommend that. I actually recommend dry aging it, leaving it on the bone overnight or even for up to 7 days so the meat has time to break down. The salt water is good in a pinch because it does pull a lot of the blood out, which actually gives you the game flavor for geese. Until you've soaked it in salt water or dry aged it, you don't know how good goose can be. Now, let's get started on this recipe.
Step 1 is to put a medium to large saucepan on the stove at medium heat. Add your 12 ounces of fresh thawed cranberries, orange peels, a half cup of honey, and your tablespoon of rosemary and thyme that are minced well. Mix everything and cook until it boils, then switch your oven to low heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the cranberries split. While that's finishing up, move over to the goose breasts. Rinse them well after their saltwater bath. Add fresh salt and pepper, and then cover the bottom of a frying pan with oil on medium-high heat. Sear the breasts on both sides for 4 minutes, and then move to a 350-degree oven for 10 more minutes, or until the thickest piece has an internal temperature of 145. Let that stand for 10 minutes, slice, and serve over your beautiful sauce.
Looking at this dish, you can't help but think Christmas, but you actually get kind of a citrus aroma from the orange. But man, does this look good. A little cranberry sauce. Wow, that is tasty. I mean, the cranberry sauce brings kind of a sweetness to the meat. It's typical with waterfowl to actually use something sweet, something citrus-based, but the cranberries, what an awesome mix, and it reminds me of the old Christmas story, Christmas Goose, and it really looks like it too. For this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com. Thanks for tuning in. Stay green.